Well, hello, my friendly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina, and today we are back shopping at ALDI. We're going to look for all the new arrivals and lots of summer items. A volleyball, flyer, and a football. These are lightweight, really fun, but the price is perfect. $4.19. Now, they do have some life vests, and definitely want to double check them. But there's 4 different sizes. You can see, it looks like they've got picked over really fast. But for the price of these, I could see why. They're $10. And we have some folding chairs. So these are always good to have on hand. If you have like extra company, you know, for the barbecue, camping. And I like that they have a cup holder. You have 3 different colors to choose from. They're pretty lightweight, but the price is light as well. $12.99 for these. And not a bad looking chair. Now this is a cute little set. They are sold separately, but these little wooden chairs. And then you have the little table that goes with it. So let's see if we get the price. So the chairs are $39.99 each, and then the table is $29.99 each. And the chairs felt lightweight. I'm not sure exactly how strong these are, but they are cute. They're just small. Now for $3.99, we have some of the signs that Aldi likes to carry. Squeeze the day. And on the other side, we have Home Sweet Home. So it looks like there's a couple of designs that we see here. And then for $8.99, there's circle signs. I like that, welcome-ish. And then this one's Hello Sunshine. This one's really cute. That cardboard is sliding right off, but that is really pretty. And a great price too. Right next to it for $2.19, the patriotic, your paper products, you got the plates. There's 2 different sets. So you have the fireworks, and then right back here, you have Happy 4th of July. And yeah, 4th of July will be here before we know it. So the plates are cute, the napkins are cute. You got 2 different designs to choose from. But the price is really reasonable, not a bad price. Now for $10, the bamboo serving tray. This is actually really cute. I like the little gingham print. It looks like there's a resin inside. And then I found a different one in the back, a blue. And for $4.99, these are always good to have on hand, the meal prep, the little containers. It says 30 of them, but I think it's like the tops and the bottom, so 15 piece set. And for $5.99, these little tumblers, these are insulated. And these are cute. You have about 4 different designs to choose from. So you have like the summer, little popsicles, and then you have your floral. Let's see what we have over here. Thought I saw that. Yeah, this was really pretty, and I like this. Stop and smell the rosé. And for $4.99, I would like to know whose pet will wear these, like who would like keep them on. But these are pet sunglasses. So you have 2 different choices, and then 2 different sizes as well. You can see those are the X small, small, and you get your medium and large. And for $14.99, now this is a really great idea. The large round Coulee Mat. And it looks like there's a couple different designs. I think I see 3. So just look on the box. That's where you can see the designs. And for $89.99, the little strip on the side fell off. But this is an ice maker. So there's 2 different sizes of ice. So it looks like it makes cube ice. Now we did get one recently. We actually ordered ours from Amazon. And so that is pretty cool. Because we like the smaller ice. Our fridge ice is just huge. Now the hydration backpack. These are really good, especially if you like to do walks and hiking. Just fill this up with water, and then you got your little nozzle right there. I'm kind of questioning how you would clean these. So I've never owned one, so let me know if it's easy. $4.99. Now I had one of these a long time ago. These bug zappers. And it worked okay. I don't know really what happened to it. And then $14.99, the tent fan. Now this is a good idea. So it's not only a fan, but it also has a light. So you have 3 different light modes. It's got a remote control. Because I can imagine if you're in a tent, that could get, you know, a little warm. But you could probably use that for a lot of other things too. And $6.99. This is a 3-in-1 camping light. Let's see what makes this a 3-in-1. It's got that little handle. It's very lightweight. So it does take batteries. Oh, I can see. You could adjust it. And then for $12.99, this is the half-gallon stainless steel jug. And I like the handle on it. And these are nice, especially for that price. And then here's a little bonus. It's dishwasher safe. That's always nice. At $4.99. So these are good to have on hand. This is the smartphone case, but watertight. Yeah, I definitely want to protect your phone. I've gotten my phone wet twice, and it'll pop up saying that it was wet. And so I did place it in rice, and that did help. But I always feel like I was lucky the 2 times that it happened. And then the air circulator fan. So these are nice to have on hand. $29.99, still a good price. 20 inches. And then you have this one. It's a mini air cooler with an LED. Huh. And that one is $19.99. I wonder how well those work. If you've tried any of these products that we showed today, definitely let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your feedback. There's a lot of them. And then this pickleball set, but that tag is not matching. The tag says something else, like a picnic table. So we will keep going. And then of course they have their porch signs. I have a couple of them. This is Home of the Brave. And then I like that they're reversible too. And then hello, please leave by 9. Oh, that's funny. But these are actually a pretty good price. So you have 2 different ones to choose from. And these are only $12.99. Not bad at all. Now here is that pickleball set. $40. Wow, it comes with the net as well. That's pretty cool. I still have not played this game. Okay, for $4.95, these are ice cream filled cupcakes. Okay, that sounds really yummy. What a perfect little summer treat. Now, a couple of them had some whoops, but there's quite a few in here. So each package is a package of 4. But Aldi always has some really great summer treats. Now, for $1.99, these are sold separately, so these are individual. But these sound good. Chicken, cilantro, and lime burrito. 12 grams of protein. And then they have 2 different ones. So this one is steak and cheddar. Now that one, does it say 15 grams of protein? Oh, turn around. There we go. And then right next to it is pork baby back ribs. And they're already got the sauce on it. Just throw those on a grill. $9.49. There's a couple of different flavors to choose from. And their turkeys are back. Now, of course, you don't have to wait till Thanksgiving. You can have a turkey any time of the year. I know I like that. I love like fresh roasted turkey. So these are some good prices. 94 cents per pound. And then these are actually 49 cents per pound. That is a good price. Now the summer blanket. So this is a sand-free blanket and perfect for summer, perfect for the beach. Very lightweight. And you have 2 different colors to choose from. And $8.99. Well, that's a good price. Speaking of good price, yeah, the eggs are still a really good price. Organic eggs are $3.55, cage free. Those are $2.59. It's funny because not too long ago, eggs, the price got really crazy. And perfect for the barbecue season, of course, your dry rubs. You have a smoky dry rub and then the original dry rub. Now, it looks like there's 4 different kinds, but I only can find these 2. But they do sound good. And for $2.29, the Simply Ranch Dressing. Tuscan Garden. I love ranch dressing. And here is some of the information. Now for $3.35, I had to show these. These strawberries were massive. Look at the size of those. They were the size of like little golf balls. Now, do they taste good? That's another question. But they did look good. And look at the size. Wow. Amazing. So everybody, I'm going to head on out. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope you're having a great day. Take care, and I will talk to you later.